Done quick update video, what's happening right now with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and we speak quickly about. So let us watch here. Right now I want to show you here on Telegram. I wrote yesterday before we saw this huge dump. You see at 9 p.m. I wrote 11 May. In my opinion, a huge BTC dump is inevitable. And what we saw here right now, I show you also my trade position. Wait a minute. We saw here right now a drop to 23,800. Guys, this is crazy. But I told you that about in my Telegram group and in my last videos, and I did my short position. I told you my first price targets would be around not 38,300, 38,700. You saw here also a perfect. We saw here bounce at 38,700 approximately, and the second price target was 28,300, 28,200, right? So you see here we saw also we reached the price target and we dumped even further. I took here my profits at 28,300, and I told you I will wait until we drop to 28,300, and then I wait until we bounced at 30,000 back, and then shorting again. But the problem was we reached 28,300. You see, then we saw this bounce back to 30,000, but a little bit above this, while the whales manipulating the market, you know. And I moved my stop loss position to my entry position, so I don't lose money. So I getting thrown out of the market after I took profits, and this short I didn't take because I was sleeping. This is what the whales manipulating. So I should move my stop loss position to 30,500 maybe, but yeah, so I didn't lose any money. I show you also my trade here. Wait a minute. Here you see my Bitcoin trade. My entry position was 30,000. Wait a minute. Here 30,000, and we reached 28,300, and I made $7,000 in profit yesterday. So everything fine. I could make even more profit, but I moved my stop loss position to my entry position, so I don't lose any money. I take my profits. Guys, to everyone who's new to our community, you see, I do it on Bybit. On Bybit, you get 4,620 for free after initial deposit, and on Bybit, you get 30 days zero maker fee. So especially in this time, it's very important. 30 days zero maker fee. Go now. Link is down below. You get this bonus after initial deposit. Costs you 1 minute to register. So let us quickly watch on the macro perspective. I want, based on the past, you showing where I think possibly what could happen next based on the past. So guys, let me quickly show you, and I tell you about this huge drop since months, guys. I show you in a video also in I don't know, 4 months ago I told you about this drop, because here you see we had exactly the same. We dropped 2018, we go above 4 hourly EMA, above weekly EMA ribbon. Everyone called, we go to the moon, and then we saw this drop, and this drop was another 60%, guys, 60%. So you see here it was 60%. If we measure it right now, what happened here after drop, and I told you, man, exactly here. You remember when we saw here this dropping again? I warned you guys. So this another 60% would mean Bitcoin would go approximately something between 18 and 20,000. So this is also what I'm seeing. But let us watch right now what based on the past could here happen. Wait a minute. Because look, we saw this huge drop, right? We saw this huge drop, and after it we saw some consolidation, and then we saw this pump, right? So right now what it could happen, it's just a possibility. We could see here some consolidation and bouncing between, I don't know, 23,000 and 30,000, maybe something even like that, and then we see huge pump. A huge pump would mean here from the bottom we saw a huge pump to, it was around 300% pump, and after it we saw again a huge dump. Let me measure how big the dump was then. The dump was again 70%. So you see how the whales manipulating the market. So let us quickly watch how much it was from here. From here the top to here the down was 40%. Let us quickly watch. So from here to the top 40%. Yeah, we are around right now 50%. But it could be that, yeah. Let us watch. So in my opinion, on the bigger perspective, there are two options. Either we see here some consolidation and further drop to 18,000, and then we see this huge pump after we see some consolidation and then a huge dump. Or it could be that we see right now some consolidation and a huge pump, right? And after it again a 70% dump based on the past. You remember, right? So we saw based on the past another 60% dump can here happen. Not another all in all. So 18%. So we could here dump another. Wait a minute. We could dump here another 30%, right? And after it, we could see a pump from, if we measure it from, let us measure from 19,000 to 300%. So we could see a pump again to 80,000, guys. So be careful here. We could see to 80,000, just imagine 80,000, and then again a huge dump from 80,000. Wait a minute, from 80,000, 70% dump would be back to 23,000. You see, I just want to show you how whales manipulating in the bigger perspective, how they take you crazy. But here's very important, not to leave the market. I mean, not to leave mentally the market, because if you leave mentally the market, you lose. You have to understand how the market working. And I'm also here to explain you. I'm not Nostradamus, guys, even though I'm the most of the time right, but please make your own research. I make it now very quick, guys, because it's getting too long. So right now I see we could see here a bounce back to 30,000, right? We could see, so in the immediate short term, we could see a bounce back to 30,000. This could be a long opportunity of 10%. But wait a minute, I would say if we break 28,000 with the clear 4-hourly candle, we can along here to approximately 30,000, maybe a little bit below, taking profits 5.6%, technically 56%. And obviously, if we break above 4-hourly EMA ribbon, this is, in my opinion, more the safe thing, if we can speak about safe in crypto. So there we could make a long opportunity. I would say the first price target would be 35,800 if we break above 4-hourly EMA ribbon. So it's 5.6%, technically 56%, 25%, but only if we break above 4-hourly EMA ribbon with the clear 4-hourly candle, 4-hourly volume. If we break below right now 26,500, I would make a short position at least to wait a minute. No, yes, wait a minute. I'll watch on the daily. So if we break, I have to watch here where are the next. So if we break below what I said, 26. No, right now I don't see again 26. I have to see the 4-hourly. It's 26,500. Wait, I have to remember. So if you break it below 26,500, obviously the first our first take profit area, the short opportunity below 36,500. Wait a minute. The first take profit would be our previous low around 24,000. It's 9%, 10x average 90%, 5x average 45%, and the second price target would be around 22,500. So it's 14%, 10x average 140%, 5x average 70%. This is what I would take. So if we break below 36,500, we can short at least to previous low 24,000, and the second price target would be around 22,500, I would say. So this is my next take profit area. And like I told you, we can easily go 20,000 or even to 80,000 based on the past. Why 22,500? Because you see here some support is coming in 22,500. Obviously, we have here a lot of support in our previous bottom, right, 24,000. And if we are breaking down, you can short on Bybit 4,620 for free. You get after initial deposit, guys. This only for professional trader, because the market's very volatile, but also huge. There are huge opportunities. Link is down below, guys. It costs you 1 minute to register. If we break below 26,500, also we can short Ethereum, we can short Luna and all the other altcoins. Luna is dropping. Wow, Luna is dropping below 4 cents. Wow. Luna is at 4 cents. Guys, this is crazy. Luna is going to zero, man. This is huge. Wow. This is huge. It's because UST, you see, wait a minute, I go down. UST is going also, it's to 50 cents. But there are some theories that BlackRock could manipulate all the market. So the big investors manipulated the UST Luna. The market they obviously manipulate, but there is something you have to read about, make your own research, that there could be that Luna is not like, it's not a rug pull. It was really manipulated by the big investors like BlackRock. Watch out, make research on this, because the next what could be is USDT. watch out for that, guys. I would personally convert. I convert also my USDT and USDC and BUSD. Please make your own research here. It's not financial advice. It's what I did. Yes, Luna can, but we have to watch. Wait a minute. I wouldn't trade, in my opinion, Luna. It's too dangerous right now, guys. But wait, let me quickly show you. We see Luna as very volatile. You see, in one day we can go down and we can go up around 1000%. This is crazy. So here, what could easily happen, what I could imagine, that we even go again back to $1, right? But I wouldn't trade it. In my opinion, guys, I wouldn't trade it. This is too dangerous. We could go back to $1 at 700%, but I wouldn't trade it, guys. This is very, very dangerous here, because how much percentage this would be? This would be 2000%. Wow, guys, this is very dangerous. Please be very careful here with this, because the market get manipulated like crazy. So let us quickly watch Ethereum. Ethereum, we reached also perfectly our price target again. Wait a minute. So our price target was around, wait a minute, around 2000. This was our first price target. You see here, we saw also a bounce on 2000. Perfectly we reached. The second price target was obviously our previous low at 1700. You see here, because we have here some supporters coming in. We reached also. Congratulations to everyone who took here this huge trade. This was a huge opportunity, I think, where it was around between 20 and 30%, 10 exchange 200, 300%. Congratulations, guys. The next price targets would be around 1590, 1500. So this could be a short opportunity if Bitcoin break down. This could be a short opportunity of 18%, yes, 18%, 180%, 90%. You see, guys, there are a lot of right now huge opportunities for shorting all the altcoins, ADA, Cardano, Ethereum, all the altcoins, but it's also very dangerous. So it's for professional traders. Please be very careful for it. Not only for professional traders, and you can make huge right now profits, but also lose everything. So be very, very careful. I did yesterday huge profit. So for me, it's huge profit, 7,000 on the short. It's very nice, but it's very dangerous also. So be very careful, guys. To my professional traders, go now, link down below, make a registration on Bybit. There you can long, short, or buy on spot all the altcoins and Bitcoin 4,620 for free. You get after initial deposit, and very, very important, you get 30 days zero maker fee. Link is down below, costs you 1 minute, register. Tell me your question, guys, and are you shorted Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Luna? Please write down below. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.